Hello, everyone. What if I tell you that one small habit, something you do every day without realizing, is silently destroying your English? Yes, not your grammar, not your vocabulary, not your intelligence, just one habit. And today, we are going to break it. This video is about a powerful truth. This one habit is destroying your English. And once you understand it, your improvement will become faster than ever. Because English is not about how much you know, it is about how much you use. Let's begin. Let me ask you a simple question. How many times have you thought in your native language and then tried to translate it into English? Almost every time, right? You first think in your mother tongue, then you search for English words, then you arrange the sentence, then you doubt yourself, then you stay silent. This is the habit. Thinking in your native language and translating into English. This is the biggest mistake most learners make. And this one habit is slowing you down, confusing you, and destroying your confidence. Let's understand why. When you translate, your brain is doing double work. First, it creates a sentence in your native language. Second, it tries to convert it into English. This takes time, and in real conversations, you don't have time. People are speaking fast. Situations are changing quickly, and you are stuck thinking, translating, hesitating. This is why you feel nervous. This is why your speech is not natural. This is why you lose confidence. Now here is the shocking truth. Even if you learn 10,000 English words, even if you study grammar for years, if you keep translating, you will never speak fluently. Never. Because fluent speakers don't translate. They think directly in English. And that is the difference between learners and speakers. Now you might be thinking, okay, I understand the problem, but what is the solution? Here it is. You need to stop translating and start thinking in English. Yes, it will feel difficult in the beginning. Yes, it will feel uncomfortable. But that is exactly how growth happens. Let me show you how to do it. Start with small things. When you wake up in the morning, don't think, I need to brush my teeth in your native language. Think directly in English. I need to brush my teeth. When you are eating, think, this food is tasty. I like this. I am full. When you are walking, think, I am going to the market. It is very hot today. I need water. These are simple thoughts, but they are powerful because you are training your brain to operate in English. No translation, no delay, no fear. Now let's take a real-life situation. Someone asks you, what did you do yesterday? If you translate, your brain will freeze. But if you think directly in English, you can say, I went to work. I watched a movie. I spent time with my family. Simple, clear, natural. This is how fluency is built. Not by memorizing big words, but by practicing small, real sentences every day. Now listen carefully. This is where most people fail. They understand this idea. They feel motivated, but they don't practice. And without practice, nothing changes. So I am giving you a simple daily challenge. From today, for the next 7 days, try to think in English for at least 10 minutes every day. Just 10 minutes. No pressure, no perfection, just simple thoughts in English. You will feel slow in the beginning. You will struggle to find words. You will make mistakes. That is normal. That means you are improving because your brain is learning a new way of thinking. Now let's talk about something important. Fear. Many people are afraid to speak because they think, what if I make mistakes? What if people judge me? What if I say something wrong? But let me tell you the truth. Mistakes are not your enemy. Silence is your enemy. Every mistake you make is a step forward. Every time you speak, you become stronger. But every time you stay silent, you stay stuck. So choose growth. Choose action. Choose to speak. Let me be very clear. Fluency is not about perfect English. Fluency is about comfortable communication. Even if your sentence is not perfect, if people understand you, you are successful. So stop chasing perfection. Start chasing progress. Now imagine your life. if you remove this one habit. No more translating. No more hesitation. No more fear. You speak faster. You respond naturally. You feel confident. Opportunities start opening. People respect you more. You express your ideas clearly. That is the power of thinking in English. And it starts with one decision. Right now. So make a promise to yourself. I will stop translating. I will start thinking in English. I will practice every day. Remember, small steps create big results. Consistency is more powerful than talent. Daily effort is more important than motivation. So don't wait. Start today. Start now. Think in English. Speak in English. Live in English. And your life will change. If you found this helpful, like this video. Share it with someone who is struggling with English. And comment below. I will stop translating and start thinking in English. I believe in you. Keep practicing, keep improving, keep speaking.